to teach all of you the supporting chapter 1. The title of the chapter is Courageous Vansington. In this story, we shall study about a child whose name was Vansington. बट जनरली हम लोग ऐसा देखते हैं माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स कि बचपन में बच्चे जो होते हैं अक्सर हाँ झूठ बोलने का प्रयास करते हैं, झूठ बोला करते हैं अपने, क्यों? बिकॉज टू हाइड देयर फॉल्ट, अपनी गलती को छिपाने के लिए बच्चे। अपनी इस स्टोरी में एक ऐसे बालक की कहानी है जो ही हैज ए करेज टू टेल द ट्रूथ ऑफ हिज लाइफ। दिस इज द स्टोरी ऑफ ए बॉय हुज नेम वाज वाशिंगटन। He lived with his parents in his house. तो वह अपने माता पिता के साथ रहता था। कहता है when George Washington was a small boy, he lived on a farm with his family. His father had an orchard of fine fruit trees. He had planted a cherry tree and had told everyone to be careful and not harm it while it was growing. One day, on his birthday, little George was gifted a new hat. He was very excited and wanted to try it out. So he started cutting and chopping anything that he saw. In his excitement, he also chopped down the cherry tree without releasing it. Soon enough, his father found the cherry tree cut down. He became very angry. He demanded to know who had done it, but no one knew anything about it. Finally, he asked George. George trembled with fear, but decided that he should not tell a lie. He gathered his courage and said to his father, "I did it with my hands." His father asked, "But why? But why? Why did you cut the tree when I had told you to be extra careful with it?" George replied, "I was playing with the hash and I did not think. I am extremely sorry, father. I will always think before I act." Although George's father was sorry to lose his cherry tree, he was glad that George was brave enough to tell the truth and to take responsibility for the actions. He said, "I am happy that you are telling the truth. Truth is a quality of God. You must always practice it." George never forgot his father's words. With the qualities and love for truth, he went on to become the president of USA. माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, ये कहानी है अमेरिका के राष्ट्रपति जॉर्ज वाशिंगटन की। ये बचपन की उनकी घटना है। उनके पिताजी के घर के सामने एक छोटा सा बागीचा था जिसमें बहुत सारे फलदायक वृक्ष लगे हुए थे। उसी बागीचे में उसके पिताजी ने एक चेरी ट्री लगाया था और अपने घर के सारे सदस्यों से कह दिया था कि इस पेड़ को का देखभाल करे, कोई इसको कोई हानि न पहुंचावे, इसके पत्तों को ना तोड़े, ना इसको काटे वाटे। 8वें बर्थडे के अवसर पर जॉर्ज वाशिंगटन के पिताजी ने जॉर्ज को एक छोटा सा लकड़ी की बेंट लगी हुई एक कुल्हाड़ी गिफ्ट के रूप में दिया था। उस कुल्हाड़ी को देख करके जो बच्चा जॉर्ज वाशिंगटन जो था वो बहुत ही एक्साइटेड था एंड ही वांटेड टू चेक इट्स शार्पनेस। इसकी धार को वो चेक करना चाहता था और इसलिए उसने जहां भी जो कुछ लकड़ी का टुकड़ा मिलता था वो अपने उस कुल्हाड़ी का प्रयोग उस पर कर देता था और इसी प्रयोग करने के दौरान उसने उस चेरी ट्री पर भी अपने कुल्हाड़ी का प्रहार करके बेचारे छोटे से चेरी ट्री को काट करके जमीन पर गिरा दिया। जब उसके पिताजी को इस बात की जानकारी हुई कि someone had already cut his cherry tree, he became very angry. वो बहुत क्रोधित हुए, बहुत अपसेट हुए और उन्होंने घर के लोगों से पूछा who had done this, but no one replied. लेकिन किसी ने इस बात का जवाब नहीं दिया कि इस पेड़ को किसने काटा। At last, when he asked George that have you done it, उसने कहा yes father, I have done it. George did not tell him anything a lie. He told him the truth. He accepted his fault. His father became very impressed from the quality of telling the truth and accepted his mistake and fault. He even had too much angry on his son. His father told, I like you this quality of telling truth. You must keep it again, and you must keep it in your life in coming time also. My dear students, ये दिस क्वालिटी, ये गुण, यही गुण उस छोटे से बालक जॉर्ज को आने वाले दिनों में फिर वहां से उसने यूनाइटेड स्टेट अमेरिका का उसको राष्ट्रपति बना दिया और वो वहां का एक अच्छा सक्सेसफुल प्रेसिडेंट साबित हुआ. इसलिए द स्टोरी टेल्स अस द मैसेज दैट वी शुड ऑलवेज बी करेजियस फॉर टेलिंग द ट्रूथ and accepting our mistake and try to improve the mistake in next coming our lifetime. Have a nice day.